of getting the baking soda in this bottle. Before I put the lid on it. But we don't have time to do that today. I'm going to put baking soda in a Kleenex. Okay, I've got vinegar. I have a cork with streamers on it so you can see it fly. I need a Kleenex here. And I'm going to make something called a paper bullet. I have to have enough time for me to get the cork on before the reaction takes place. So I'm going to put some baking soda in this little Kleenex, and I'm going to fold it so it fits into the size of the bottle. And that will give me enough time to put the cap on before it goes off. I'm going to shoot it over at that door. Okay? We're going to see if it can reach. Hopefully. But somebody will have to go catch it for me, won't it? I'm going to get shot. I don't want to get shot. Alright. I'm doing this very, very carefully. You notice I'm not putting it down to the bottom. I'm going to reach for the cork. I'm going to put a little bit of Vaseline on the lid to make it slippery. Because this cork is very, very, very tight. And I want it to be able to blow it off. Alright, see, I'm not pushing it down in there. Is that giving me time to do that? Yes. I usually make my middle school kids figure out a way to do it. It takes them a while. They think of everything but the right thing. And then eventually somebody will give me the idea. Are you ready to go? Alright. On your mark. Okay? It didn't reach the door, but it shot it off, didn't it? It shot it off. Can you do this at home? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Okay, 2 more, and then we're going to get to the really, really dangerous stuff, and then I'll let you go back to your classrooms. In science, remember I told you for every action there's an opposite and equal reaction. I have a ball. I have 2 balls. Some of you might need to catch this. No, just what it comes out to. I might shoot it out. Edward and Stephen, come on over here in case it comes over here. Watch this ball. It doesn't really drop, does it? No, it doesn't really bounce. This is the ball we use for PE, right? Has a good bounce to it, right? I'm going to do this twice. First time, I want you to keep your eye on this ball. For every action, there's an opposite and equal reaction. Remember I told you when I punched you, this hard, you would go back that way? What am I going to do? Exactly right. As this, why don't you try that? I have a tennis ball, but I don't play basketball, so I don't have it. When you get home tonight, try it. This has a good bounce. As it goes down, it will come up. As it goes up, it will hit this ball and shoot it out, because look, this ball doesn't bounce. Are we ready? Ready to try it? First time, keep your eye on this ball. Second time, keep your eye on this ball, because this ball will come up and not dance. Okay. Yes, Angela. Thank you, Angela. Oh, it's water. It's knowledge is power. Ready? Here we go. Whoa! It didn't go really high. I didn't have it straight up and down. Woo! There it goes. But I thought this didn't bounce at all, did it? Next time, watch this ball. Now watch. Keep your eye on the red one. Don't look at this one. Watch how high it bounces. It doesn't bounce very high, does it? Look, it doesn't bounce at all. All right, Chase. Thanks, Chase. Thanks, guys. Okay, scary, scary, scary lightning stuff. Okay, this is dangerous. I'm taking off my watch. I'm going to take off my glasses. I'm going to take off my microphone because I don't want to get shocked. I don't want to break the microphone, so you're going to have to bear with me.
She'll stand on that stairs.
In one second, I'm going to have the guys turn the lights off. And somebody needs to go shut that back door so I don't have any light. Now, the only light that will be in here will be this box over here. First, I'm going to show you some lightning. I'm going to turn this generator on. This is called a Van de Graaff generator, and it makes static electricity. Did you ever go across your carpet and you touch something metal and you get this big shock? Well, that's static electricity. This generator will take the negative charges and send them to the ground. It will take the positive charges and put them up into this metal globe. We have a lot of humidity of water in the air on Guam. What I'm going to do is heat the inside of my generator to make sure there's no water in it first. This will shock me a little bit, so I'm wearing rubber gloves. So if you hear me go, ooh, ah! Okay, guys, I need the lights off. Thank you.
Automatically does it. Someone's not right.